Hi for this. Happy Sunday. So as requested, here is my Rogo recipe. I forgot to share this earlier, honestly, but here's the recipe now. First of all, you're going to peel your cassava and then you're going to cut that into chunks. You're going to then blend that cassava in your blender till it's not smooth, at the same time not too rough. Strain that to remove excess water, but don't throw away the water. You'll be needing that. Discard the top, and then when you get this starch, you add it back into your cassava. This will help bind the rogo and it will not scatter in the oil when frying. So add in some pepper, onions, salt and seasoning, ajinomoto and every other thing you would like to add, and then give that a good mix. After that, you're going to make the shape or mold this gosorogo. You're going to get a small amount, mold that into a ball, and then using your fingers, just press down until you flatten it, and then that's it. This is how it looks after. You're going to fry this in hot oil until it's fried and you're good to go. So once there are lots of bubbles in the oil, your gosorogo is already put. Once the oil bubbles have reduced, your gosorogo is ready. So here I'm just plating. I use Bailey Online Special Yaji for this. And yeah, have you registered for my online class? Bye.